powerloom sector in the state, whatever policy now announced by our government of Odisha, what Mr. Ashutosh announced just recently, my suggestion is at least minimum we should go for semi-automatic, not for, we should not give any chance for plain power looms for giving any subsidy. Only semi-automatic looms may be provided with the state subsidies and with maintenance of minimum economic size. What should be our minimum economic size? Our professors in OUATR, they are, and they are having also costing section. They will calculate. To the best of my knowledge, minimum 6 looms should be the minimum economic size so that a weaver, they can run the unit smoothly and he will get his back in a proper way. Regarding training part, training our integrated textile apparel and development center in Cuttack is there. That is located at IT campus of the ITT Chaudhar. And we are having trained officials. In addition, if it is required, we will hire the professionals and we'll give the training. It is not a matter of question. And that part will be taken care by our office. Regarding processing sector in Odisha, we are lagging. First, before going for processing, our present existing capacity has to be strengthened, and we are having ready-made garment units and upcoming ready-made garments are there. So processing units, it is an investment of big. So at present, we may go for small processing or just hand processing units that will suffice at the present situation and it will serve to our handloom sector also. So this is my information. And second thing, Government of India, now they have going to launch a app, self uploading lab. That app itself, it will go to the individual entrepreneurs. They will upload their information in the app so that the statistical information can be disseminated and it can be uploaded in the government website. And the second policy decision can be taken by the Ministry of Textiles. Further, during the month of January, that to second week of January, there will be a conference of all of India textile departments at Guwahati. There are some announcements may be declared by our Honorable Minister. So we are waiting for that. Thank you very much for Utkal Chamber of Commerce giving me the opportunity to discuss about this matter. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay Kumar Sahu. You have already running out of time, but I'll take some more time. Actually, we have closed the cycle of raw material, fabric, garment, sustainability, government policies, but we have left another most important point is the spinning ecosystem in the Odisha. During our BTech career, I know there's around 10 to 12 spinning mills are there. Odisha textile mills are there. And that has been closed now. All the spinning mills. Now apparel garmenting is going up, but it's a lack of the spinning, yarn, supply chain. So I would like to invite Mr. Sarath Kumar Satpathy. He's the, since last 4 decades, he has been working in spinning ecosystem. So he will throw some lights why the spinning mills has been closed and what to be done to restart this spinning system, spinning mills, so that we'll just complete the complete ecosystem of textile manufacturing in Odisha. Over to Mr. Sarath Kumar Satpathy.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାର୍ କୋଉଟା ଥିଲା କହିଲେ? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଏଟା କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଖାଲି ପଠେଇଥିଲେ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ହଁ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ହଁ ଏଇଟା ଆସିଲା ନମସ୍କାର ମୁଁ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁନି ଗଲା କାଲି ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ହେଲା ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଦୁଇଟା ଟପିକ୍ ଦୁଇଟା ସେସନ୍ ଆଇ ୱାଜ୍ ଦେୟାର ପ୍ରଥମ ସେସନ୍ରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲୁମ୍ ରିଅଲି ରିଚ୍ ଭେରି ରିଚ୍ କହିବାରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସେସନ୍ ହେଲା ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ଟେକ୍ସଟାଇଲ୍ସ ଆଜି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେସନ୍ରେ ଆଶୁତୋଷ ବାବୁ ବ୍ରହ୍ମା ବାବୁ ମିଶ୍ର ବାବୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟର ପଲିସିଜ୍ ଉପରେ କହିଲେ ଗୁଡ୍ ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ এই পলিସିଜ୍ ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ଲାପସେସ୍ ଅଛି ଯେଉଁଥିପାଇଁ ଜିନିଂ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଏବଂ ସ୍ପିନିଂ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ଚାଲିପାରୁନାହିଁ ତା ଉପରେ କହିବି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ସକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ନେଇଯାଉଛି ମିଶ୍ର ବାବୁ କହିଲେ ଆଶୁତୋଷ ବାବୁ ବି କହିଲେ ଯେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ 8.4 lakhs bales of cotton production होची in the year 2024 and 25. I also agree to that. One bale weight is 170 to 175 kg. Imagine the cotton production. 1 kg of cotton will give only 35 to 34 kg of raw cotton which are suitable for spinning mill. The rest all are seed. Perhaps all technical persons knows about it. Can you calculate? 11 lakhs kg of cotton seeds are unsold in Odisha. All the giners or CCI, they are constrained to sell all these things in Haryana market. Musa khai jauchi, ବର୍ଷା ପାଣି ପଡ଼ି ଯାଉଛି କଟନ୍ ସିଡ୍ ନଷ୍ଟ ହୋଇ ଚାଲିଛି ହାଉ ଦି ଜିନିଂ ମିଲ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ସର୍ଭାଇଭ୍ ଜିନିଂ ମିଲ୍ ଆଜି ସର୍ଭାଇଭ୍ କରୁଛି ସିସିଆଇ ପାଇଁ ସିସିଆଇ ପରଚେଜ୍ କରିଦେଉଛି ଏମ୍ଏସ୍ପିରେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର 2 ମିଶ୍ର ବାବୁ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ବଢ଼ିଆ କଥାଟେ କହିଲେ ବିଙ୍ଗ ଏ ପ୍ରଫେସର ଅଫ୍ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଟାଚ୍ ଟୁ ଟେକ୍ସଟାଇଲ୍ସ ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଟେଲ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଏବେ ଯେଉଁ ବି ୟାନ୍ କଞ୍ଜମ୍ପସନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଫର୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲୁମ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଲ୍ ଦି ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଆର୍ ଆପଣ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ବଢ଼େଇ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଅଲ୍ ଦି ୟାନ୍ସ ଆର୍ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମ୍ଡ ଫର୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲୁମ୍ସ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କହି ଚାଲୁଛି ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ବଢ଼େଇ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ କଞ୍ଜ୍ୟୁମ୍ ଫର୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲୁମ୍ସ फाइनर काउंट पाई जो कॉटन दरकार स्पिनिंग पाई इट इज येट टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड फॉर योर काइंड कंसिडरेशन यू आर टेलिंग ELS extra long staples means whose length is more than 32 mm. Odisha cotton is within 30 mm. Mr. Asutosh kindly note it. I am telling. Second, Odisha weavers, there are two types of weavers in Odisha. दले अति सस्ता लुगा तैयारी करती गाँ मानकर लोक मैंने चलने धोती गमछा अमको टमको या दे नीड वेरी चीप क्वालिटी ऑफ यान कहीं गोटे गामछाटे जी बनइब 100 टंकार गामछाटे बिक्री कर से बसिक 1200 टंकार सूता किण चांस ना से जो कॉटन दरकार कोर्स काउंट कॉटन जार इफेक्टिव लेंथ हवा दरकार 10 mm से कॉटन ओडिशा रे प्रोडक्शन नहीं से यान भी प्रोडक्शन हो पारु नहीं हाउ द स्पिनिंग मिल विल सर्वाइव सो आई रिक्वेस्ट हियर people from Director of Textiles, Agriculture Department and Mr. Man who is looking after the sustainability and resilience